Hello, and welcome to the Golden Healing Circle. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine yourself standing on a mountaintop, surrounded by the vast expanse of the sky. You can see birds soaring high above you, their wings spread wide as they navigate the winds. Take a deep breath and feel the sense of freedom and possibility that comes with the open sky. I am resilient like the wings of a bird, able to adapt and overcome challenges. I am strong and capable of overcoming any challenge that comes my way. I let go of fear and doubt and trust in my ability to soar like the birds. I have the courage to face difficulties and emerge stronger on the other side. I embrace change and uncertainty and find new opportunities to grow and learn. I trust in my ability to adapt and thrive in the face of adversity. resourceful and creative, finding innovative solutions to problems. I am resilient and will not let setbacks define me. I am persistent and determined, never giving up on my dreams and goals. I am grateful for the lessons that come from difficult experiences, and I use them to grow stronger. Like a bird, I am flexible and adaptable, able to adjust my course when needed. I am worthy of love and respect, no matter what challenges I may face. I am patient and mindful, taking one step at a time towards my goals. I have the power to create positive change in my life and in the world around me. I am resilient in body, mind, and spirit, nourishing all aspects of myself. I am capable of finding joy and happiness, even in the midst of hardship. am grateful for my resilience and the lessons it teaches me. I am resilient, and I trust that I will emerge from any challenge stronger and wiser. I am grateful for the support and love of those around me, and I know that I am never alone in my journey. Just as birds are able to soar high above us and navigate the winds with ease, we too can tap into our own resilience and rise above our challenges. Just as birds adapt to their changing environments and find new ways to thrive, we too can embrace change and find new opportunities to grow. By embodying the resilience of birds, we can tap into our own inner strength and soar to new heights. Now we're nearing the end of the video, but I invite you to stay in this position for as long as you like. When you're ready, take one final deep breath and slowly open your eyes. Carry these affirmations with you throughout your day. Whenever you face challenges or obstacles, repeat these affirmations to yourself and imagine yourself soaring like the birds. By practicing these affirmations regularly, you can build resilience and tap into your inner strength and ability to overcome any challenge. May peace be yours.